Microsoft Surface Arc Mouse. Slim, light and ready to travel, Surface Arc Mouse is designed to comfort to your hand and snaps flat to fit easily in your bag. You can find it just under the lid inside this compact box. Included in the package are an instruction manual and two AAA alkaline batteries, which have already been inserted into the mouse. Hello, Series Monkey here, and this is my Microsoft Surface Arc Mouse review. The biggest selling point of this mouse is its design. On the top is a hard plastic touchpad, which is also the button area. On the bottom is the bendable tail with the Surface logo on it. This part is built out of a rubber-like material. On the underside are two resting points, a button for Bluetooth pairing, the two batteries and a laser pointer, which is on the top, unlike most mice. Notice that the Arc has no wrinkles, nice detail. There are 4 different color configurations: burgundy, cobalt blue, black and light grey, which is this one. They all have a matte finish and the colors match other Surface products. Unlike bulky traditional mice, you can take this one anywhere. It snaps flat to easily fit into any case, bag or even pocket. It is very light, about 82.5 grams, including the 2 batteries. Arcing the mouse turns the device on, and it also fits your palm, like any traditional mouse. The first thing I notice is that hole underneath my palm. You cannot hold the device like traditional mice, you must grab it a bit higher, although I got used to it very fast. Flattening the mouse turns it off. This allows you to carry it around easily and saves battery, not only of the mouse but also of your computer. It prevents unwanted clicks or mouse movement. It's a brilliant design. First, you want to pair it, which is fairly easy. Add a new Bluetooth device on your PC, hold the button on the underside of the mouse for 5 seconds, and that's it. As long as your Bluetooth is turned on, it stays connected. You can use the mouse and another Bluetooth device at the same time. It's compatible with any Windows 10, 8.1 and 8.0, but also other devices supporting Bluetooth 4.0. I've tried to pair it with a MacBook and a Samsung Galaxy S7, and it worked flawlessly. On the upper side is a single plastic touchpad. It is a full scroll plane. You can scroll anywhere on the surface, both horizontally and vertically. Although different than a scrolling wheel, it feels smooth due to the matte finish. Vertical scrolling works very well, but horizontal scrolling feels a bit off. It lacks some kind of responsiveness. Obviously there's a right and left click. Small issue here, the right click only works when lifting your index finger. You can also assign other buttons to the mouse. For this you have to install Microsoft Mouse and Keyboard Center on your PC. Here you can add a 3-finger click and assign numerous keyboard combinations to it. You can also adjust different scrolling settings and dot per inch values. Surface Arc Mouse is light and very portable. It is a compact quality build, and on top of that a very elegant and modern design, which matches your Surface products. It takes a little time to get used to it, but after that it feels right. The mouse retails for around 60 euros. It's not necessarily cheap, but it's special and I think you get what you pay for. Regular desktop users might miss the precision and ergonomics of traditional mice, but for people who travel a lot, this is in my opinion the best they can get. I always carry it around in my bag, and I'm glad I've replaced my old mouse, which took away a lot of space. Don't be afraid to ask any question in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.